IFPC Disability Insurance Finland app. The pros, the cons. The IFPC Disability Insurance Finland app is built to make managing your disability coverage quick and convenient. Most people think it's just a policy viewer, but it actually allows claim submission, premium tracking, and instant access to detailed policy information. Claims management is a standout feature. You can upload all necessary documents, follow your claims progress in real time, and receive updates at every stage. Premium tracking is simple, with reminders for upcoming payments and full access to your payment history. Policy information, including coverage limits and benefit amounts, is always accessible, giving you full control over your insurance. The app is also very convenient. Updating personal information or requesting minor policy changes can be done entirely through the app, without needing to contact customer service. This makes it perfect for busy professionals or anyone who prefers digital management. On the downside, the app requires a stable internet connection for most features, and some users report slower performance when uploading large files or reviewing older claims. It also lacks advanced financial planning tools, such as income replacement calculators or long-term projections, which might be helpful for more detailed planning. In conclusion, the IFPC Disability Insurance Finland app is a practical and user-friendly tool for managing your disability coverage. Its main strengths are streamlined claims handling, clear premium tracking, and accessible policy information. While it may lack advanced planning features, it offers all the essential tools to confidently manage your disability insurance anytime, anywhere.